So dear friends, today we see the emissive power and absorptive power of a body. So at first we see the emissive power of a body. So in previous lecture I told you that every body radiates the energy at a given temperature. So today we see what is emissive power of a body. So emissive power of a body is defined as, just you consider on my word, emissive power of a body is defined as the amount of heat radiations emitted per unit surface area per unit time in unit wavelength range or at particular wavelength. बघा इमिसिव्ह पॉवर म्हणजे काय, एखाद्या बॉडीनं एमिट केलेल्या रेडिएशन्स त्या कशा, त्याच्या युनिट एरियानी आणि पर सेकंड. तर अमाउंट ऑफ हीट रेडिएशन एमिटेड बाय बॉडी per its unit area per unit time within a unit wavelength range or at that particular wavelength. म्हणजे हीट रेडिएशन्स एमिट होते करते ना बॉडी त्या पर्टिक्युलर वेवलेंथ पर अवलंबून असतं. Now suppose this is a body, we can say that this is body, right? And it emits the radiations. So it emits the radiations. So at particular temperature we can say that. So it depends upon the temperature also per unit time. So we can say that the amount of heat radiations emitted by this body per its unit area and per unit time at particular wavelength असं म्हटलं तरी चालेल, or within unit wavelength range. Okay, definition of emissive power. It is denoted by letter E lambda. Now suppose dq amount of heat radiations emitted by the body. त्या बॉडीने काय केलं, dq amount of heat radiations अशा बाहेर फेकलेल्या आहेत. emitted म्हणजे काय, बाहेर फेकणे. So this dq is directly proportional to, first point, it is directly proportional to surface area A, and second point, it is time t. Suppose this body emits the radiations, dq amount of heat radiations in time t having surface area A. बघा मी काय सांगितलंय, ही बॉडी अशी आहे, इथं सरफेस एरिया A आहे आणि टी टाइम मध्ये dq अमाउंट ऑफ हीट रेडिएशन्स बाहेर फेकते, होय की नाही. तुम्ही नाही का आगीजवळ बसला हिवाळ्यात तर त्याने हीट रेडिएशन तुमच्यापर्यंत पोहोचत असतात, तेच हीट रेडिएशन फेकलेले आहेत त्या बॉडीला. And therefore we can say that dq is proportional to A into T. So we can write like this. Or dq is equal to some constant of proportionality E, A, T. And त्या particular wavelength heat radiation emit म्हणून सांगू lambda, E lambda. So it emits the radiation at particular wavelength, E lambda. So dq is equal to E lambda AT. Lambda suffix line. So this E lambda is a constant of proportionality called as emissive power of that body. Or we can say that E lambda equal to dq upon AT. So this is the emissive power. So understood this. What is emissive power? It is the amount of heat radiations emitted by the body per unit its surface area per unit time at particular wavelength or within unit wavelength range. म्हटलं चालेल. लॅम्बडा आणि लॅम्बडा प्लस डी लॅम्बडा ही जर रेंज असेल हे नाही, त्याच्यामध्ये ही बॉडी जर वेव्स बाहेर फेकत असेल तर त्याला युनिट वेव्हलेंथ रेंज म्हणायचं. ई लॅम्बडा इक्वल टू dq upon AT. So this is nothing but the definition of the emissive power of the body. Now another we will see the definition of the body, that is, suppose, so this is the one definition, dq equal to E lambda AT. So we can write like this. Now another definition we'll see. If you look at this, suppose if dq is the amount of heat radiation emitted by the body within the wavelength range lambda and lambda plus d lambda, त्या दोन रेंज मध्ये म्हणजे इथं तर डिफरन्स किती आहे d lambda. Then emissive power is also defined as E lambda is equal to dq by d lambda. So this is the answer. So we can say that the emissive power of a body is defined as amount of heat radiations emitted per unit wavelength range. Per unit wavelength range मध्ये रेंज घेतले ना आपण लॅम्बडा आणि लॅम्बडा प्लस डी लॅम्बडा ह्याच्यातली रेंज किती असते डी डिफरन्स पर युनिट वेवलेंथ डिफरन्स म्हटलं तर चालेल पर युनिट वेवलेंथ रेंज. So this is another definition. So E lambda equal to dq by d lambda, or we can say that dq equal to E lambda d lambda. Now another thing is that for perfect black body, so if you consider the perfect black body, in this case this E lambda is replaced by capital E lambda, and therefore we can write like this: E lambda equal to dq by d lambda. So we can write like this for perfect black body. For perfect black body, in previous lecture we have seen the definition of perfect black body. E lambda, small e lambda is replaced by capital E lambda dq by d lambda, and in this case we can say that dq equal to E lambda d lambda. So this is the thing word, the emissive power of a body. बघा आपण emissive power पाहिलं one by. These are simple expression. Now we go for next absorptive power. So here, so this is just I scroll out this. Second point, ऍब्सॉर्प्टिव्ह पॉवर ऑफ बॉडी म्हणजे बॉडीचं ऍब्सॉर्प्शन करण्याची क्षमता, त्याला म्हणायचं ऍब्सॉर्प्टिव्ह पॉवर. इमिसिव्ह पॉवर म्हणजे काय, बॉडीची एमिट करण्याची क्षमता, त्याला म्हणायचं इमिसिव्ह पॉवर. So this is, now we'll see the absorptive power of a body. Now suppose that is, again you consider this is a body, and if you incident few amount of radiations on it. Suppose consider body and you incident the Q amount of radiation. आता ती नॉर्मल बॉडी असेल तर ती सगळं बॉडी रेडिएशन ऍब्सॉर्ब करून घेत नाही, होय की नाही. सो सपोज इट ऍब्सॉर्ब्स dq amount of heat radiation and remaining it is reflected back. So we can say that it is the ratio of absorptive power is divided by A lambda. It is the ratio of amount of heat radiation absorbed by the body to the total amount of heat radiation incident on it at particular wavelength, and that's why A lambda dq upon capital Q. So dq upon q, q is that is A lambda. So A lambda we can say that, or dq equal to q into A lambda. So this is the another definition of absorptive power of the body. Absorptive power of body म्हणजे काय, त्या बॉडीची ऍब्सॉर्प्शन करण्याची क्षमता. समजा तुम्ही Q अमाउंट ऑफ हीट रेडिएशन इन्सिडेंट केलेले आहे अँड dq अमाउंट ऑफ हीट त्या बॉडीनं घेतलेले आहे, ऍब्सॉर्ब केलेले आहे, आणि रिमेनिंग एनर्जी काय असेल ती बाहेर फेकते. तर याचा ऍब्सॉर्प्टिव्ह पॉवर म्हणजे काय, इट इज द रेशिओ ऑफ टोटल अमाउंट ऑफ हीट ऍब्सॉर्ब बाय द बॉडी to the total amount of heat incident on it. And so it is divided by A lambda within that wavelength range. So A lambda equal to dq upon q, or dq equal to q into A lambda. So this is nothing but the absorptive power. So today we stop here. So thank you.